In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Discord on Android device for beginners. Discord is a popular platform for communication among gamers, communities, and friends. To start using Discord on your Android device, you will need to first download it from your Play Store. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Step 1. Download and install the Discord app. To start using Discord application on your Android, you will first need to download the app from your Google Play Store. Tap open the Google Play Store app icon from your app drawer and go to the search box at the top. Type in Discord in the search box, and in the search results displayed on the next page, pick this application from Discord Inc. Tap on the install button to download and install Discord app on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap on open to launch the Discord app. Step 2. Create or log in to Discord account. Soon after you open up the Discord application, you will come across this clean interface. If you already have a Discord account, click on the login button and enter your email or your phone number followed by your Discord account's password. Once you provide the information, tap on login to log into your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, tap on register. On the next page, provide an email address or a phone number. Choose one of the options that is suitable for you. Enter the phone number or the email address you are trying to register with. Once you are done, tap on next. Enter a name for yourself in the text box appearing on the next page. After you are done with it, tap on next. Now, create a password for your Discord account. Type down the password in the password tab. After creating a strong password and username, click next. Enter your date of birth on the next page. Click on create an account. Now, after you are done, you will then come across this interface. Simply go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions of Discord. And there you have easily signed up for Discord. Step 3. Explore the Discord interface. After logging in, you will be greeted with the Discord interface. At the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see the servers, messages, notifications, and You tab. From the main homepage, you will get access to the servers and channels list. Swipe left in order to view the interface from where you can easily invite your friends or personalize your server. Tap on the messages button at the bottom in order to access your direct messages with friends. You can also add new friends by their username or simply find and share the invitation link and share it with the person you would like to add as a friend on Discord. You can also choose to send your invitation to your friends via messaging applications as well. If you tap on the Find Friends option, you will be able to sync in your contacts from your Android device with Discord. Allow the Discord to grant access to your contacts and then enter your phone number on the next page. After syncing in your phone number, you'll also be able to add your phone's contact inside your Discord. Tap on the notifications button at the bottom in order to view recent notifications from the platform. Step 4. Joining servers and channel. If you want to join a new server, make sure that you're inside the servers tab located at the bottom left. Once you come across this server interface, simply tap on the plus icon. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new server. To create a new server, tap on Create My Own. Answer more information about your server and enter your server's name in the text box. You can also upload a profile picture for your server by tapping on the plus icon right next to upload. Now, you will be able to see your invitation link displayed on the screen. Simply copy the invite link and send it to more people to add in. Once you've created and joined into the server, tap on the server name appearing on the left-hand side in order to view its channels. Select the channel to join in and start chatting with other members. Step 5. Customizing your profile and settings. If you want to customize your profile and settings, you will need to tap on the U button at the bottom right hand corner. Here, you can edit your username, upload a profile picture, change your status, and manage your account settings. Tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner from this page, and you will get access to Discord settings from where you can customize your app preferences, notifications, appearance, and much more. Step 6. Start chatting and interacting. After selecting a channel, in order to start sending a message in the channel, tap on the text field appearing at the bottom. Now, type in your message in the text box and then tap on the send button in blue at the bottom right. You can also send voice messages, images, videos, and GIFs by tapping on the corresponding icons in the text field. To send a voice message, tap on the microphone icon at the bottom right. Allow necessary permissions and press and hold your microphone in order to record your voice message and release the microphone from your finger. Similarly, if you want to send images, tap on the plus icon at the bottom left and select Photos from the list. Choose a picture from your device's library and tap on the send button to send in the picture. Once you do that, you will also be able to send images. Similarly, to mention someone in the message, simply type in @ and type in the name of the person. To react to a message, simply press hold the message and then select the reaction you would like to use. Step 7. Start exploring additional features and functions. Discord offers many additional features, including server moderation tools, server roles and permissions, custom emojis, and integrations with other apps and services. Take some time to explore these features and customize your Discord experience to suit your preference and needs. Now you've successfully learned how you can use Discord on your Android device as a beginner. That wraps up our tutorial on how you can easily use Discord application on Android. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.